Two CRM giants, Freshsales and Keap, go head-to-head in today's showdown. Which one really delivers? On the left, we've got Freshsales, sleek, modern, and packed with automation. On the right, Keap, built for small businesses with powerful CRM and marketing tools. We'll test them in real-world scenarios, features, ease of use, pricing, integration, support, and more. Let's skip the buzzwords and focus on what actually matters for your business. Each category scores points, so by the end, you'll see clearly who takes the lead. And trust us, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, here's how we're going to break it down today. First up, we'll look at price. Then features, because let's face it, a CRM can have a billion buttons, but it has to do what you actually need. After that, automation. How much time can these tools actually save you? Then we'll check out integrations, how easy they are to use, e-commerce, that one was kind of a curveball, honestly, and finally, support in the whole ecosystem. Alright, ready? Let's get into it. So, starting with price, this is usually everyone's first filter, right? Freshsales is kind of a champ here. It's got those clear pricing tiers, and if you're a startup, you won't faint when you see the bill. Downside, if you want the fancy stuff, yeah, you'll have to upgrade. Keap, on the other hand, does have discounts and a bunch of plans, but the base price is, well, it's not the cheapest. There's even a mandatory onboarding fee, which, good luck justifying that to your accountant. So for price, Freshsales takes the cake. Features. This is where stuff gets spicy. Freshsales packs in built-in calling, email, some tasty AI-powered automation, plus solid sales pipeline tools that you actually want to use. Only problem? Its marketing automation is kind of just there. Keap, though, goes big, a full CRM suite, plus email and SMS marketing, and honestly, their e-commerce stuff is surprisingly legit. You even get all kinds of automation and integrations. Downsides? It can feel like you're flying a 747 if you just want a nice simple CRM. So for sheer muscle, Keap pulls ahead here. Move into automation. This is huge if you're allergic to busy work. With Freshsales, you get some workflow stuff and AI contact scoring, but the automations are sometimes, well, still a bit manual. Keap? This is where it flexes. Conditional automations, drag and drop builders, triggers that run across sales and marketing. It's almost a mini Zapier inside your CRM. Downside? Give yourself time to learn, because if you're new, the wall is real. But overall, Keap absolutely wins for automation. Hey, fun fact, did you know the very first CRMs were basically just a bunch of spreadsheets stitched together in the 1980s? I can't even imagine running a business like that, but hey, everyone's got to start somewhere. Integrations next. Freshsales plugs into a ton of tools you already know. Zapier, MailChimp, Google Workspace, nothing to sneeze at. But it does lean more toward B2B, so if you're selling stuff online, might feel a bit light. Keap, same deal, but throws PayPal, Shopify, QuickBooks into the mix, and of course Zapier, so you're covered for most things small businesses actually use. Only watch out, some of those connections need a pricier plan. But honestly, both do integration super well, so we'll call this one a tie. Right, let's talk ease of use. And look, nobody has time for a CRM that feels like a NASA console. Freshsales, super clean UI, quick to set up, and if you hate training videos, you'll love it. The only real knock is that it's not the most flexible thing if you want to go wild with customization. Keap is friendly enough for basic tasks, but as soon as you dip into the automations, it's like, wait, what button just did what? So for most people, Freshsales is the clear winner here. E-commerce, oh, this one's a bit one-sided. Freshsales is great for tracking leads and sales, but there's zero built-in e-commerce. You'll have to glue stuff together if you want to actually sell online. Keap, though? You've got sales pipeline, order management, even payment processing baked right in. You might still need to link up integrations for the full experience, but it's a serious step up. So if you want to sell stuff, Keap just destroys here. Last but not least, support and ecosystem. Freshsales gives you live chat, emails, decent docs, but hey, if you're super price conscious, note there's no phone support on the cheapest tier. Keap? You do get phone chat, even webinars and onboarding coaching. But yeah, that onboarding coach comes with its own extra fee. So it's a bit of a wash. Both actually give a pretty strong support experience, they just nickel and dime differently. Let's do a quick look at the categories side by side. You'll see Freshsales tends to shine for pricing, ease of use, and traditional CRM stuff, while Keap dominates automation and e-commerce. Integrations and support, they're neck and neck. You get the idea. Alright, so here's my honest take. If you're a new startup or a small sales team that wants a CRM that just works and doesn't make you want to call IT every day, Freshsales is probably your jam. But if you're a small business with real automation needs or you want integrated payments and e-commerce built in, Keap honestly crushes it there. If you found this helpful, maybe hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Who knows, maybe your next CRM showdown is right around the corner.